Replacing a dusk-to-dawn sensor requires precision to ensure the reliability of your outdoor lighting. Here is our step-by-step guide. Step 1. Cut the power. Turn off the power at the main breaker and use a voltage tester to ensure there is no power at all. Step 2. Identify the sensor type. You are typically looking at a twist-lock sensor located on top of the light fixture, or a wire-in sensor housed inside the fixture or pole base. Step 3. Remove the old unit. For a twist-lock sensor, simply rotate it in the anti-clockwise direction to remove it. For wire-in controllers, disconnect the line, load, and neutral wires, then unscrew the controller. Step 4. Install the new sensor. First, correctly match the voltage and load type. For wiring controllers, connect black to line, red to load, and white to neutral. For twist-lock models, align the pins, push down, and rotate clockwise until you hear a click. Step 5. Secure everything. Ensure the sensor is tightly seated and the cover is safely sealed so that dust, moisture, and pollutants cannot ingress. Step 6. Test your work. Restore the power and simulate low ambient light by covering the sensor with your hand or cardboard. For reliable replacement components, choose lead top.
Lead Top, your flexible OEM or ODM partner for smarter lighting solutions.